Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to another Clean With Me motivational video. In today's video, I'm going to be getting my house back in order. Dropped off the kids at school, so I need to tidy up this whole place. I haven't cleaned up last night, so it's messy. There's toys all over the place. The kitchen, you guys will see later, it's a mess. So we're gonna get everything in order. If you are in need of some cleaning motivation, then be sure to watch this full video, and I hope that you get motivated. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel and you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. So y'all, I recently put out these new curtains in my living room. I'm kind of regretting putting them up because we're still in winter, and I got carried away because we had a warmer weather for a couple of days. I was like, you know what, let me put up these curtains because I like the way they look. And now I'm kind of regretting because in the morning it's really cold. In the afternoon time, we do warm up to like 60s or 70s here, but it's mostly cold. I think I'm gonna go back to my blue curtains. Also, my kids and my husband are complaining about it, so I think I might just go back to the blue curtains. And y'all, just excuse the smoke detector sound in the background of my voiceover. I need to change the battery. I had this cordless vacuum for a very long time, but unfortunately it has to go. It broke. I just don't know how it happened. None of the kids, I didn't do it, but the kids are not claiming they did it too. So I don't know who did it, but it's broken. And also on top of that, my other regular vacuum is broken too. The wheel thingy broke. Like, why is this happening to me? Okay, I am done with the living room. Now I'm gonna move on to the kitchen and hopefully to the restrooms. Just only one restroom, so yeah. But this place is all done. This is how the kitchen is looking. I'm gonna try to wipe down the cabinets, the exterior of the cabinets. Yeah, and I have some dishes to wash. It's not a lot, so I'm gonna put away those things that are just sitting here and clear out over here. This is just a friendly reminder to make sure to clean out your microwave. I heated up some chicken with what is it called, pistachios on it, and it popped all over the place. So make sure to clean out your microwave. I've had this microwave for a very long time, y'all, and just taking care of it made it last longer. So be sure to clean out your microwaves. Okay, next up I'm moving on to the refrigerator area. I'm just going to clean the exterior of the refrigerator. I'm going to be using my Lysol multi-surface cleaner, and I'm also going to use this stainless steel cleaner. Keeps the exterior of the refrigerator protected, clean, and polished. Whenever I'm cleaning, this is my favorite part. I love cleaning my sink. I love having a clean sink. That's not always possible. I am a mom of 5. We're a family of 7. So that is not possible to always have a clear, clean sink. But I do my best. But girl, make sure you clean out your sink, because I know I recently discovered that some people actually season their chickens, their meat in their sink. So I'm just like, okay, was that a thing? Because I don't do that. I don't do that because you got dirty dishes in the sink. Sometimes, like you wash your hands in the sink. Like, no, it's a no for me. But if you do that, then whatever makes you feel comfortable, okay? But just make sure your sink is always clean. Make sure you're disinfecting that sink. Guys, I'm running out of breath. We have made it to the bathroom. We're done with the living room, dining, and kitchen area. Now we're in the bathroom. As you guys can see, even the mirror is dirty. The tub needs to be scrubbed down. Thank God I don't have to scrub down the what is it called, the backsplash out. So I just need to empty out the trash, mop the floor, and clean the tub. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. So yeah, I wanted to talk about something really important that's been going on lately here on my channel. I've been receiving some nasty comments on my popular video here on YouTube. Some of y'all have been very, very nice to me. Yeah, I don't know me and I don't know you guys, but thank you so much for the beautiful comments that you guys have posted under that video. Thank you for your support, for subscribing to my channel, for sharing my videos. I am very grateful to each and every one of you guys, and I hope to one day be able to give back to my community here on YouTube, inshallah. But I also received some harsh comments that I wanted to talk about on here. I know as a content creator, it is okay, it is normal, for us to receive, not everyone is going to be nice, okay? Not everyone is going to be nice. So I was expecting to get some bad stuff here commented under my video. Something that really stood out to me was when somebody threatened my life. Like, I know you guys can't see some of the comments that I get because it's blocked off by YouTube. From my end, I see it on YouTube Studio. That's where the creator, the person that posted the video, can view some of the hidden comments on there. And I don't even know why I opened that section to look at my hidden comments, but it was just, let's say, a very nasty comment. I hope that whatever that person was going through, they're doing, I'm praying for them. Let's just say I'm praying for them, because that was not a way to, to leave a comment under somebody's video. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I was scared of, going about my day after seeing that comment. Like, just going to work or just going to school, picking up my kids was a bit scary for me. But I'm just gonna leave it off by just saying, please be nice. Just watch what you say, I know some people are having a rough day and they just go on and commenting and nasty stuff under other people's video, but just be nice. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, be sure to subscribe.